Causes of soil erosion: Uncovering the root of the problem. Title: Causes of soil erosion: Uncovering the root of the problem. Introduction. Soil erosion is a global environmental issue that poses a significant threat to agricultural productivity, water quality, and ecosystem health. Understanding the causes of soil erosion is crucial in developing effective strategies to mitigate its impact. This article aims to delve into the various factors that contribute to soil erosion, highlighting both natural and human-induced causes. 1. Water erosion. Water erosion is widely recognized as the most common and damaging form of soil erosion. Several factors contribute to water erosion, including A. Rainfall intensity. High-intensity rainfall events, especially in areas with steep slopes, can cause excessive soil erosion. The force of raindrops dislodges soil particles, leading to surface runoff. B. Runoff volume. The amount of water running off the land's surface greatly influences soil erosion. Factors such as soil compaction, lack of vegetation cover, and impermeable surfaces increase runoff volume, exacerbating erosion. C. Slope gradient. Steep slopes are more susceptible to erosion due to faster water flow and reduced water infiltration. As the speed of water increases, it carries greater amounts of sediment, resulting in significant soil loss. 2. Wind erosion. Apart from water erosion, wind erosion is another major contributor to soil loss, particularly in dry and arid regions. The primary factors leading to wind erosion include A. Soil texture. Fine-grained soils, such as sandy or silt soils, are more susceptible to wind erosion as they have weaker binding forces. Loose, dry soils are easily picked up by the wind, giving rise to dust storms and sand dunes. B. Lack of vegetation cover. Vegetation cover plays a crucial role in reducing wind erosion. Plants act as a physical barrier, reducing wind speed and capturing soil particles. Removal of vegetation by deforestation, overgrazing, or land clearing activities greatly enhances wind erosion susceptibility. C. Soil moisture content. Dry soils lack the cohesive properties necessary to resist wind erosion. When soils become desiccated, they lose their ability to bind together, increasing their susceptibility to being lifted and transported by the wind. 3. Agricultural practices. Human activities, particularly intensive agriculture, significantly contribute to soil erosion. Uncontrolled agricultural practices that lead to soil erosion include A. Overtilling. Excessive tilling can break up soil structure, promoting erosion by reducing soil aggregation and increasing vulnerability to water runoff. B. Monocropping. Continuous cultivation of a single crop species leads to the depletion of soil nutrients and decreases overall soil health. This reduces soil stability and increases erosion susceptibility, particularly during heavy rainfall events. C. Improper irrigation. Poorly managed irrigation systems can contribute to soil salinization and increased erosion. Improper water management can result in excessive soil saturation, leading to compaction and reduced permeability. 4. Deforestation and land clearing. Deforestation and land clearing, often conducted for agricultural expansion and urbanization, have severe implications for soil erosion. A. Removal of vegetation cover. deforestation disrupts the natural cycle of plant growth, leading to a loss of vegetation cover. Trees and plants play a crucial role in stabilizing soil, reducing runoff, and acting as windbreaks. The absence of vegetation significantly amplifies erosion rates. B. Soil exposing. Land clearing practices, such as bulldozing, remove the protective layer of vegetation and expose the bare soil surface to erosive forces. This results in increased soil vulnerability to erosion agents like wind and water. C. Loss of soil organic matter. Deforestation and land clearing activities often lead to the loss of valuable soil organic matter. Organic matter enhances soil fertility, water holding capacity, and soil structure. Without it, soils become more susceptible to erosion. 5. Soil compaction. Soil compaction is another factor that contributes to soil erosion. It occurs when the soil particles are compressed and become tightly packed together. Various activities and practices can lead to soil compaction, including A. Heavy machinery. The use of heavy machinery in agriculture, construction, and logging can cause soil compaction. The weight of the machinery compresses the soil, reducing pore space and disrupting the soil structure. B. Excessive foot traffic. Continuous foot traffic on the soil surface can also lead to compaction, especially in heavily trafficked areas such as farms, recreational areas, and construction sites. The repeated pressure on the soil compacts it, making it less permeable and more prone to erosion. C. Poor soil management. Improper soil management practices, such as excessive tillage and lack of organic matter, can contribute to soil compaction. Over time, the soil becomes compacted, reducing its ability to absorb water and increasing the risk of erosion. 6. Steep land development. The development of steep lands, especially for urbanization and infrastructure projects, can exacerbate soil erosion. Factors contributing to soil erosion in steep land development include A. Excavation and grading. Excavation and grading activities during construction can disturb the natural landscape and expose bare soil. The removal of vegetation and topsoil increases the susceptibility of the soil to erosion by wind and water. B. Poor stormwater management. Improper stormwater management practices in steep land development can result in increased runoff and erosion. Inadequate drainage systems and lack of erosion control measures allow sediment-laden runoff to flow freely, leading to soil loss.